Hi everyone, I'm Henry. Many people are as curious about modern technology as I am. From today, I will take you to visit factories in China and answer your questions. You can never imagine how these little wristbands were made. Let's check it out. Okay, now we are at the production workshop. I will send the picture to the designer here and let him help me typesetting on the computer first. Now design has been completed. Let's go to the printing workshop to have a look. This is the raw materials and the printing workshop is in French. The 8P high-speed digital printing machine. Raw Tyvek paper is loaded into the printer and print out to be some finished product. All the designs will be uploaded into the software and printed by the 8P digital printing machine. It is high-speed and high-quality printing, which can print 1,000 pieces per minute. It looks like common raw paper after printing, but how it will be made to be a Tyvek wristband? Follow me to the next workshop for die cutting. Let's go! This is a die cutting workshop. The raw printed Tyvek paper will be cut by the high-speed die cutting machine here. Then we can put on the wristband. Certainly, before die cutting, it also has to be taped with double face sticker. Then we can put on the wristband. Then the cut raw paper will be packed to be paper sheet. Look, they are packing. This is the last step before we send it. Okay, after packing, the Tyvek wristband will be sent to all over the world. If we compare the products made in China to be the stars in the sky, this is just one of the small points. Made in China has now reached many countries around the world. Each small point is an integral part of craftsmanship of Made in China.